Today I am reviewing the Google Pixel Watch 4. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are a dedicated Android user looking for a premium smartwatch experience that seamlessly blends style, health tracking, and cutting-edge artificial intelligence, the search usually leads to Google's flagship lineup. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Google Pixel Watch 4, specifically the 41mm LTE Edition. This premium package features a polished silver aluminum case paired with a vibrant iris active band. What makes this particular version incredibly unique is that it includes 2 full years of data and texting powered by Google Fi right out of the box. Let's look at how this device performs in the real world and see if it earns its spot on your wrist. First, let's address the massive elephant in the room when it comes to the smartwatch experience: the setup and connectivity. Traditionally, getting an LTE smartwatch meant dealing with hidden carrier activation fees, calling customer service, and adding another monthly line to your cell phone bill. Google completely disrupts that headache with this edition by including 2 years of data and messaging straight from Google Fi Wireless. This means right from the moment you pair it to the Google Pixel Watch app, your watch is fully connected to the world. You can leave your phone entirely at home while you go for a run errands, or head out to dinner, and you will still get real-time navigation from Google Maps, text messaging, and seamless music streaming right to your wireless earbuds. It offers a level of absolute freedom that completely changes how you view a smartwatch. Visually, the precision craftsmanship of the 41mm chassis is stunning. It features a beautifully domed display that slopes seamlessly into the polished silver aluminum frame. It looks equally elegant at a formal dinner as it does at the gym. But where the Pixel Watch 4 truly shifts into high gear is the smart software. Google has built their powerful Gemini AI Assistant directly into the core architecture of the watch. Instead of relying on rigid, pre-programmed voice commands that frequently fail, you can interact with Gemini entirely in natural language. You can ask complex questions, manage your daily schedule, control your smart home devices, and receive lightning-fast, highly contextualized responses. Even better, when text messages come in while you are on the move, Gemini generates hyper-relevant smart replies on the fly that match the tone of your conversation, allowing you to fire back accurate text responses with a single tap. When it comes to hardware performance, Google implemented massive upgrades to the battery and charging architecture. For the 41mm model, the battery life comfortably reaches up to 30 hours of continuous use even with the always-on display activated, and it can push all the way up to 48 hours when using the built-in battery saver mode. This easily translates to a true all-day, all-night experience. When it does come time to charge, Google introduces a completely redesigned side-mounted quick charge dock. This is an absolute game-changer, allowing you to reclaim 15 hours of battery life in less than 15 minutes on the charger. You can drop it on the dock while you take a quick morning shower, and you are fully covered for the entire day ahead. For health, sleep, and fitness tracking, the integration with Fitbit's ecosystem provides some of the most sophisticated biometric insights available on the market. The watch features over 40 distinct exercise modes and automatically detects workouts when you start moving. For outdoor runners and hikers, Google has integrated high-precision, dual-frequency GPS. By using 2 separate satellite signals simultaneously, the watch maps out your running routes with pinpoint accuracy, even when you are navigating dense city streets with tall buildings or heavy tree cover on an outdoor trail. At night, the advanced biometric sensors tracking your heart rate and skin temperature deliver incredibly detailed sleep stage data, giving you a clear picture of your recovery. To wrap it all up, the Google Pixel Watch 4 41mm LTE Edition is an exceptional, feature-rich device. By combining the smart capabilities of Gemini AI, a highly reliable 30-hour battery, precision dual-frequency GPS, and the incredible value of 2 years of included cellular data, Google has built a truly independent smartwatch that doesn't just mirror your phone, but actively enhances your lifestyle. It is a premium investment that delivers convenience, intelligence, and freedom with every single wear.